That thing is dirty. So yeah, my car really needs to be cleaned up pretty badly. So I'm gonna clean that up, and then, is this lens fogging up? I'm gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna talk about something real quick. But yeah, this car is dirty. As you can see, even though I park in the garage all the time, there's still bird poop on there. And let me show you why. Because people in this house can't leave the garage door closed for whatever reason, birds fly in, sit right up there or right along there, and they poop on my car. This lens keeps fogging up. Yeah, they poop on my car, and my car gets even dirtier in here than it does out there. So yeah, I'm going, I don't know, throw this on a tripod and time lapse it, I guess, and wash my car. And then we're gonna have a quick talk. Okay, so the title of this video, basically, I first off want to apologize to anybody that's subscribed to my channel specifically for this, but I'm not going to be able to do those like really dramatic, what's the word, after movies and really fancy edits like that when we go to car shows, because I can't afford it and I'm broke. So yeah, I already sold the gimbal. I still have the Sony, which I'm filming on right now, but that's gonna have to go too. But I still have a Canon camera and I still have a GoPro. So for me, it was way too much of a financial commitment, and I just couldn't afford to keep it, plain and simple. So the gimbal sold already, but if you want the camera, just hit me up on Instagram or something, and you know, I can send it out to you. It's a Sony A7sii with a 28-70, what is it, 3.5 to 5.6 aperture lens. Comes with 3 batteries, a Veravon Zeus cage, and yeah, like 2 chargers in the lens. So that's for sale. This by no means means that I'm gonna be I'm not gonna make YouTube videos anymore. Still gonna make YouTube videos. Just for the time being, I can't afford to keep that equipment that I use to make like those really extravagant after movies. If you subscribe to my channel just for that, then I apologize, because I can't do it anymore. But that also means I can put a little bit more focus into building the car, put a little bit more money towards that, and maybe things will move a little bit faster. I have a lot of plans for the car, but it was just too hard for me to do that and build a car. It's just way too much money, and I'm pretty broke. I don't make that much money. So the little bit I do get, I have to make it stretch this much a lot. But yeah, I'm still gonna be going to car shows. Just because I can't film them doesn't mean I'm gonna go. Even though my car may not be in it, I'm just gonna go just because I like going to car shows. I mean, for as long as I have this camera, I can still make pretty cinematic stuff, but when that's gone, the quality on these videos is gonna drop just a little bit, because you know, it's like a $500 camera versus a $2,500 camera. Obviously, there's gonna be a little bit of a difference, and no more 4K once this one's gone. So that's that. Let me trying to think if there's anything else I want to tell you guys. Oh yeah, I got some more videos coming out. Got new parts. I got BRZ headlights, which I'm gonna be installing on this car, and I'll show you guys how to do that, rewire them and everything. They're actually sitting right here. I'll show them to you in another video. Got that. Still got the Pandem kit. I don't know when that's getting installed, because I'm just not gonna install it until I can get wheels that fit it, and I don't want to run these anymore. So there's no telling when the Pandem kit's getting installed. What else? I got a few suspension parts I guess I could put on, even though I can't really afford to go get an alignment because, you know, like I said, I'm broke. I think that's all I have for you guys. Just a quick little update. Got a video coming out for more tool stuff, like my toolbox and everything. Yeah, and Tuner Evo is 1 week from now. This upcoming Saturday. I'm gonna try to get this video out as soon as possible. But this Saturday, the 16th, I believe it was, I'll be at Tuner Evo. So if you see this video and you're there, come say what's up. Which I highly doubt, you know, many people watch these. But if you're there, come say what's up. I'll be there. And yeah, I think that's about it. So I'm gonna end it right here. I just want to let you guys know that no more after movies or features or any special features, anything like that. Still gonna be doing like vlogs and install videos, but no more, you know, super extravagant stuff. Oh, but I will be you know, when I find a new job, once I find a new job, I will buy some of that equipment back, and I'll get back to doing that. But as it stands right now, it's just really not worth it for me to keep that stuff, because I wasn't making any money doing it, and it was way too much. I spent way too much on it to not be getting something in return for it. So it had to go. But when I can afford it, I'll get back to doing that. Don't know when that's gonna be, so don't hold me to anything. I will get back to it eventually. Just for now, I can't do it. But you'll still be getting videos. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Tune in next week. Come say what's up. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'm gonna go back in the house now because it's hot in here and humid. So yeah, peace out. Go watch some of my other videos if you haven't already, or all of them. I don't know how many of you, or subscribe, do that too, like it, you know, go watch everything. I'm going in the house now. Peace.